Myself and my group, myself Rangnath Chaube from Durgapur Steel Plant and from Finance Department, and I would like to introduce my group members, and I have given the team name as Manthan because we all are here to discuss something and evolve something. Thank you. And among my team members, Abhishek, Kunal, Krishna, Sumit, Kunal, and Manisha, and myself Rangnath. Thank you. The first point that we have pondered upon is maximize how at MTI we can maximize our learning. Before going over that, I would like to emphasize upon one point. It's not the aptitude, it's the attitude which ultimately determines our attitude. Going over that, first what we have pondered upon is we can maximize our learning by maximizing our involvement with the program. Just before going over that, we were in a group of 7. After that, we changed our group. So, taking cue from that, so we were discussing, we were interacting with each other, we were involving in the matter related to plant working, related to other working. So, this has given an insight that how can we involve in these activities and take maximum out of that. So, this is, I think this area is one of the most important for us. And next is sharing with each other. Yes, definitely. Unless we meet, unless we share each other's experiences, we could not learn. Because we at plant, we are working in a standalone manner. DSP is, if having some interaction with DSP, then problem can be sorted out more easily. Going over informal channels is one of the most important tools. So we can use that, and we have got a chance, at least a bit of it, but it will be going a lot to help us in utilizing this time. Next is practical implementation, definitely. Unless we have brainstormed some things, we have taken something, unless we are going to implement that in our working, it's useless, definitely. I think you all are agreeing with that. So practical implementation, how we will practically implement in our plant, in our working area, that will going to bear some fruit for us, definitely. So in this way, we can maximize our learning at MTI, and definitely our coordinators are there, and our colleagues are there. It's because a team will work. We will not work, a team will work. Then only we can win, we can go ahead in this turbulent times. And definitely next point was what we can expect from program. Definitely this is not some elixir or some drops that they will be giving to us and some miracle will happen. So briefing about that, we have pondered some point. First point is that how this program can add value in our day-to-day working. Second is practical learning, definitely, because we are going to implement something. So unless we will be facing some practical working over here, it is useless. It will be useless for us. Next is problem solving through case studies. Unless we are given case studies, although we are at plant, we are having different case studies, different type of situation. But here, if you are working in a team, we are here a cross-functional team. As my earlier friend was telling, Mr. Manoj, that we are here to share some experiences involving people from cross-functional areas. Because in our group, I am from finance, another one from ISP Burnpur, he is from plate mill, another from hot strip mill, another from Chennai, that south in the extreme south area. So we are all have come here, gathered here for some experience, and while solving our problem through some case studies, it will be more fruitful for us, I think. Next is definitely, after so much of stuff matters, some enjoyment is required, which I think learning should give. I can expect some coordinators from. And last but not the least is ownership. Yes, because without ownership, without accountability, all things will be reduced to nil. So we have to own the company. Such type of involvement is required, and we should strive at MTI because it is one of the premier institutes. Definitely all will be agreeing, and we, I think, in a lifetime get few chances, only few chances, because I am just here at second time. Earlier to that, I was having in program at India's. So these are all points which I would like to share with you. Thank you.